Assalamu alaikum. Hi to everyone. Today I'm going to make creamy, rich and irresistible pasta. Yes, this is actually Alfredo pasta and you can make this in within 15 minutes and it is very easy and satisfying dinner too. So what will you need? You will need Alfredo pasta for 2%. You can boil it before making the chicken and remember one thing, it will take 15 to 18 minutes to boil. It is not like spaghetti that you can boil 5 to 3 minutes within. Okay, you will need garlic powder, black pepper powder, salt, white vinegar, chili sauce, soya sauce, white pepper, paprika, boneless chicken, like this, oregano powder, milk half cup, a sliced cheese, or you can use any kind of cheese. You will need maida, you can call it white flour, 2 tablespoons. So these all ingredients you will need for making of this. I will go step by step and you have to follow me. For marination of chicken, I am going to add chili sauce 2 tablespoon, soya sauce 2 tablespoon, white pepper 1 tablespoon, white vinegar. If you want to use lemon, so you can 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of black pepper and salt as you require, garlic powder, paprika powder. I will use paprika powder half tablespoon. Now you have to mix it well and you have to grill this chicken. मैंने पैन में बटर ऐड किया है। बटर ऐड करने के बाद मैंने इसमें मैदा डाल दिया था फ़ौरन। अब इसके बाद इसमें मैंने दूध शामिल किया है। नाउ फर्दर आई विल ऐड ऑरिगेनो पाउडर, a pinch of oregano powder and white pepper, and I will cook it for 6 to 7 minutes and you will see it will be thickened. Okay, now friends, see, this is ready, consistency is ready. I will add half teaspoon of salt and a sliced cheese. Now you have to mix it completely and then finally we will add Alfredo pasta in this sauce. This sauce is very creamy and very delicious. You must try this recipe and let me know how you will feel it about this. And finally I will add this pasta. Mix it gently. Wow, this cheesy and creamy pasta, you will love this. Now the time to serve the chicken. Look at the chicken. It's grilled chicken and serve this chicken like this. Sprinkle some black pepper over there. If you want oregano, so you can sprinkle oregano too. Okay, like this. Now check. How are you feeling about this? I want to try. I want to try the pasta first because it's cheesy and creamy. How can I grab this? Mmm. 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 So yummy. Please try this recipe and let me know how you feel about this. Take care. Bye.